Guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another episode of The Driving Society. I don't mind the car, it's absolutely filthy. It does need a clean, but hey, we have a full black interior. I love it personally. It's not the best thing, but it was cheap. I think we paid like $60 odd for it. But yeah, full black interior. If you guys have been keeping up with the Instagram, few of you obviously have me on Snapchat, but if you've been keeping up, you'll see that I put a post out today stating that we're getting a new car. So this is going to be the official delivery video. We're going to go pick it up. Mum's taking us down there, so huge shout out to her. She's really helped organise this because I've still got the MPS, obviously, which I need to get rid of because it's not P legal. I did mention that in another video, so if you haven't seen that, go and check it out. But anyway, so we're going to pick up the new car. Yeah, let's go. So again, back at the Lotus dealership, but yeah, time for the reveal of the new car. So this is Motorline BMW. If you need anything, Daniel's your man to go to. He's the one that's helped me with this, but here it is, the brand new car. So I'm sure you guys will be wondering why I bought another MPS. As I've previously mentioned, the car I bought, I thought was P legal when I got it. Unfortunately it wasn't, so we've got a new one. This car is definitely P legal, all of that's been confirmed. So odometer has just under 160,000. This car has 3 months warranty, so engine mounts and stuff are all covered by the dealership. So huge shout out to them. Dan, probably won't see this video, but thank you so much, man. You helped me out. Now I don't have to stress about cops or anything, so I'm really looking forward to being able to take this to car meets, not have to stress about cops, not stress about anything, and just drive with the boys and have fun. So anyway, let's go home. We've got to surprise a few people because not a lot of people were expecting this, so yeah, let's go. Okay, so we got it home. Nick Dunstan, who you might remember from the first video with the other MPS, is going to be the first one here. He doesn't know what this is. I've told a few people I've sold it, so to the people I told I sold it, yes, it is sold to me. Let's go. If anyone is looking to buy this, let me know. Would be more than happy to sell it to you. I'm looking for around 13.5 to 13, slightly negotiable. But on cue, we have Rick. Yes, the number plate Rick, and Nicholas driving Rick. But anyway, he, as I said, he has no idea, so we'll see what he thinks before we open it and show him. You might remember we pulled the hood off of Nicholas's car in a previous video. Yes. Oh, I can see that. Yeah. Weight reduction.
Yeah.
Bonnet delete.
Surely don't leave these fuckers alone with your car. We did.
Welcome back to the channel.
What, you never seen a Powerade bottle with milk in it?
No.
Well, there we go.
Can't say I have. So, any guesses?
I've got honestly, I went on car sales when you told me that it was from a dealership. And because I know like roughly what you're looking for, I like tried to guess, and everything that I saw, I was like, surely not. No. I got no idea.
So you got no idea?
I've got literally, I think it's red.
Yes,
because I saw like 1 millimeter of like red on the story.
It is red.
How many cylinders?
It still has 4.
Okay.
I wouldn't buy anything with more cylinders. I don't need that fuel economy.
No, I didn't think
we don't need Nick Schmicky fuel economy.
No.
But anyway.
You were talking, when you said like, you know, I can have a V8 on my P's. I was like, surely you didn't buy a V8.
No, I'm not that kind of person yet. There will be a twin turbo V8 somewhere down the track,
eventually. But
not for quite some time. Anyway.
Which side's left?
Left. So, without further ado, so yes, It is another MPS.
Is it the red MPS?
Yes, it is.
But you troll. You're the biggest troll.
I said it sold. I didn't say.
You're such a troll.
I said it sold. I didn't say who it sold to.
Bruh. You're such a troll.
But yeah, this is the new beast.
This is the P-legal beast.
Yeah. I mean, that's pretty legal too if it was a little bit older, but anyway. But we got to take the Coney sticker off because that doesn't have Conies anymore. That does.
And it has a Coney sticker.
So, this feels more like a GTI now.
Does it drive does it drive better than that one?
Okay, so what we're going to do is we'll let you drive that one first.
Yeah.
And then we'll put you in this one.
Sounds like a plan.
Alright, let's go. So, we have the twins. The two MPSs. Nick's just going to compare the two cars because I obviously know what the difference is. But he hasn't driven the new one yet. So he's going to take the old one for a spin just to get a feel for it. And then he's going to drive the new one and see how much better it actually is.
Is everything working in this one now?
Yes.
So good.
Hopefully.
Is it low on the front still?
No. Don't like drive straight out, but yeah, it's not as big an issue. Bye. Yeah, we're just gonna get this warm so Nick can obviously have a bit of fun in it because it is P legal and it is actually quite a bit of fun now, as you guys will soon see. It's always nice to see it driving. I don't actually see the cars driving all that much, so it's actually nice to see them driving. Well, obviously this one doesn't have the whoosh like the other one has, but we're gonna hopefully fix that soon. Hopefully put the new air filter from the old one in. Oh yeah, we're a bit bougie because obviously we bought it from BMW, so bougie. Oh yeah, and the plate's pretty fitting. Just without being a custom plate, we like to rev. So Nick, what is the issue today?
Engine mount.
The big one, the big engine mount. So we got the coolant takeout. Well, this is how you remove a Mazda 3 driver's side engine mount, or passenger side if you live in the US.
The engine dropping.
So the engine's just dropped. So what you do is you remove these two bolts, and then you also remove down here. There's another bolt and another one on this side. Then you just sort of wiggle the coolant tank out the way.
I might get you to do that while I grab the bolt. It's just kind of sitting there. You can move the coolant tank.
So to fix the engine mount, you just pull all these out. It's pretty simple for a Mazda 3, and a Mazda 3 MPS is like at a ground, but all 17s, you just loosen them with whatever you can, biggest breaker bar possible, and then get a torque wrench and then just tighten them as much as you can. Next time you go to a mechanic, just get them to check that they're tight enough, and then just put the coolant tank back in, engine cover on, and away we go. A turbo, which has 60,000 Ks. We've got an MPS, which has 160,000 Ks. Maybe we should put the turbo in the MPS. And Nicholas, was your engine mount a success?
The engine mount was a success, yes.
That's lovely. That's exactly what we want to hear. So now we're just going to pack up our shit, go annoy Mitch, and then, yeah. Mitchell! Welcome back to the channel! Damn, she looking nice and clean.
I haven't even washed it yet.
Well, nice and wet at least. Nick's ready for work whenever he's ready to go.
Oh, are you working tonight? Yeah.
And yeah, we're gonna go get photos, which aren't allowed to be posted on social media until tomorrow when this vlog goes live. New chamois?
What?
New chamois?
Sponge?
Is that thing?
No, I've had it for a while now. But it's the special one.
Looks nice.
Non-scratch.
Nice. That's what we want. Nice clean car with green peas. Green peas. And a P legal green peas.
Yeah, the P-legal squad finally.
Yeah, we're all P legal now, ish.
Yeah, I mean, we're all completely stocked. Ish.
Yeah, my car's stocked now.
Ish.
Actually, it is the knob, the gear shift.
This is true.
And yours has wheels. So we're all... And suspension. So none of us are stock.
What have I got?
And
Just
the
wheels and
famous
stickers.
600 horsepower window. Fucking like a weather thing.
Oh, well, that contributes to the 1200 wheel, right?
Are you gonna get some?
What?
Are you gonna get about on that.
What?
I feel like you could get away with it. Or you
It's just driving the new car. What are your first impressions? Compare it to the last one.
a lot better finish. But the only thing I like more about the other one is the position of the brakes when they engage. It's easier to heel toe.
Yeah, I agree.
That's it though.
You like the shifter and the clutch and everything?
Clutch is better. I think I prefer the other shifter, but
Fair enough. Anyway, we're out on an adventure as usual, so let's go cause some mayhem. So yeah, that is gonna end the adventure for today. Schmeckos joined us for the last little bit. Mitch, is that a Slurpee?
no,
Is
it's
that another Slurpee?
Water.
Flavoured water.
Essentially.
It's flavoured water. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys like the new car. Let me know of any mods that you want me to do to it. We have got a few things planned, well actually a lot of things planned. We just don't quite have the budget at the moment to do it, so. But eventually it will come, and when it does, I hope you guys will like it just as much. But anyway, down below, smash the subscribe button, hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and comment for any content ideas. Surely we do a hood swap with Nicholas.
Does it fit?
Yeah. It's gotta happen.
What,
surely.
like put this one on his and his on this?
Well, put this on his just temporarily.
Yeah, okay, because I don't think if we swap it over.
Yeah, well, it'll cool. But anyway,
Yeah.
down below, smash the subscribe button. But thanks for watching, guys, and have a great week. Peace.